this is a real treat for us to operate with the USS New Mexico. You know, we have an elite force in the SEALs, but I would tell you that our submarine force is equally elite. And when you bring those two elite capabilities together, you really get a supercharged capability that really demonstrates the power of the U.S. military to project really worldwide, whether on the ground or below the sea. So it's a wonderful opportunity for us, and we're really grateful to the crew of the USS New Mexico for accommodating us. Well, it's great to be at Souda Bay here with our wonderful Greek allies, and they're really important to us, not only as allies, but I would tell you as friends who have shared interests and shared values as the United States. And as such, they provide us a great location here in Souda Bay to conduct operations and training today between our SEALs and the crew of the USS New Mexico right behind me. Greece is a great partner for us with exercises. It goes back many, many years. Just recently, the Greeks hosted Orion 21, where they brought in partner nations from Israel, from Cyprus, as well as Serbia in the United States to participate together in a soft exercise. And so that's a wonderful thing about bringing in partners as well as allies to participate in these exercises, to learn from one another, and again to show the breadth of our friendship even outside the alliance.
Driving straight at lines and stay on the scuba. It's above 10 feet. So 25 feet. So connect that is 30 feet. Flash boats that have blackout trunks designed for darkness treatment.
So we have to get a quick turnaround here.
That was what we had.
Staff, there's a guy inside here driving.